Wait. Is this a movie trailer or is it something that we shot with the most incredible lens ever? Today, we are talking about something magical. Hello everybody, I'm Ravneet from Food for Short Studios. I shoot digital ads for brands and today I'm reviewing something that's made our shoots way more cinematic, more detailed and just more delicious.
The DZO Films Gnosis 24mm Macro Lens.
What even is a macro lens? If you're not a camera geek, no worries. A macro lens is designed to show tiny details. Think textures, water droplets, sugar on a cookie. It lets you get super close to your subject while keeping everything sharp and in focus. And what makes this macro lens, the 24mm Gnosis, special is not just the close-up, but the perspective. 24mm is a wide-angle lens, so you don't just see the details, you also see the scene around it. But what makes the Gnosis different? Okay, let's talk about the build. This lens feels solid, like really solid. It's made for professional cinematography, so it's got smooth gears for focus and aperture. But it's not scary to use either. Also, this lens comes with a PL mount. So I'm using this adapter, which is for Sony E-mount. It's really easy to fix. Just look at these shots, for example. You can almost taste it, right? And if you're into video specs, it's a true 1:1 macro lens. That means what you see exactly is what you get. It's a cine lens, so you'll have to pull the focus manually. You'll have to rig it mostly because the lens is heavy. And the third thing is, if your lighting is good, you're gonna get some amazing results. What I personally love about this lens is that even when I'm doing extreme close-up shots, it just doesn't cover the entire subject, but also the scene around it, which makes it a beautiful perspective, and I just love it. Another thing I love about it is its build quality and the smooth buttery focus ring. The focus breathing is very minimal. It works like a dream for tabletop, food, lifestyle, and beauty content. So if you're somebody who creates content for brands or just want to upgrade your tabletop visuals, this lens is an investment, and yes, it's totally gonna level up your production game. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more behind the scenes and gear talk, and tell me in the comments, what would you shoot with a lens like this? I'm signing off, going to have coffee and also eat some parathas and maybe also shoot it. Bye.